guys, you want to see a magic trick? Watch this. Engine's gone. Nah, I'm just playing. It's sitting over here. As I stated before, I had to do a lot of removing of some stuff. I had to remove some of the coolant lines. I need to reroute some other things. And I wanted to put some stuff back behind the engine up in the firewall area. And it just was not conducive with the engine in the way. So I had to go ahead and just pull it out, get it out of the way. That way I can clean up some of this disastrous mess. And BMW engineering is great, but when it comes to a clean engine bay, they are not winning any awards for that. So, not to mention, I had some leaks. Some leaks I really didn't see because it's all covered up. So, I'll be able to get all that cleaned up, get that rack out of there, get it all cleaned. If it's leaking any, which I can't tell at the moment, but if it is leaking, I'll seal it up, fix it up. I don't think I want to buy another one. There's a couple things I'm going to delete because I will no longer be needing them. First and foremost, that little thing right there. I'm going to go try doing a manual transmission conversion. Now these things, they came with a 6-cylinder and a manual option. They did not offer that with a V8. However, a 540 BMW had the 4.4 V8 in it, and it also had a manual transmission to go behind it. So I'm going to see about putting one of those in here. Shouldn't be too difficult. It's almost the same platform. They use a lot of the same parts. But other than that, I'm guessing it should be cake. But I'll be able to delete the front drive shaft, the front differential, the coolant trans cooler, the cooler lines, the transmission, the transfer case, all that'll be gone. So I'll be able to lose a good bit of weight there. From any other weight that I might be adding into the vehicle, I will be able to take some out and it'll be a wash. So hopefully I'll be able to get that taken care of. But as far as all this, I'm going to remove this out, shorten it up a bit, probably put it up back in here, get it up out of the way. This fuel line, like I said, that's going to go. The ABS module, after looking it over, that's probably about the best place for it to be. It's out of the way. It's not right up against the exhaust, so I don't have to worry about it burning up, because that was a problem on the 5 Series, that the ABS module was a little too close to the exhaust and it burned up, and you had to replace that. So I'm not going to run that risk on the X5s. It's in a decent place. Just may need to tidy it up a bit. I've got a few other things here. I'll be able to get rid of the trans wiring. Some of this though is for the O2 sensors. I'll be able to get all this out of the way, relocate some things. The AC line, like I said before, it's going to stay. I do like having air conditioning. I live in Georgia, so it's not a good idea to go without air conditioning, and as heat as well. I mean, I don't see what the point in deleting the heat. It's not like it's going to win me any. I don't see the point in deleting the heat. I can just route it right up in there, keep it all nice and tight, and give me some more space right here. So I'm going to work on getting some of this out. I'm going to work on the engine over here. We're going to tackle some of that wiring mess. So let's get to it. Alright guys, we've got this thing stripped down, mostly stripped down. Got a few things left on it. I'm going to put the supercharger back on it, and this is where I'm going to start working on getting this wiring harness that's over there, getting it set in place, getting it wrapped up and around and into where it needs to go on this side and that side. So I may have to wind up putting a couple things back in, like spark plugs, but that's not a big deal. I wanted to get most of it out of the way. As you can see, I've got a little bit of some oil leaks and stuff like that here and there that I need to get rid of. I've got to seal this thing up. This needs to be resealed. The front cover, it needs to be resealed again. I'm going to need some new gaskets. For some reason, they were very loose. I mean, I didn't take much to get these things off. I don't know why the exhaust manifold was so loose, but it was. But it wasn't leaking. As you can see, it didn't have any blow by. But I don't know. That's strange to me, but we're going to work on getting the supercharger on it and getting the wiring done around the supercharger.
Show me the all damn day. Show me the all damn day. All damn day.
Alright guys, that is it. That's how it's going to look. We've got the wiring harness installed. I've got the coils here for each spark plug. Same on the other side. Went ahead and did a little bit more test fitting over here, and I know how it's going to be on this side because it's the same over there. But I've got all this all installed, ready to go. Got the wiring harness coming out the back just like it was before. Everything's all tucked in underneath the supercharger, so you can barely see it down in there. You won't be able to see anything. So it'll be all nice and neat and tucked. No wires sticking out, nothing over the engine like it was before. So it's going to be nice and neat. The only thing I have to contend with are these wires right up here in front, but some of these go underneath the engine and other ones go here to like the alternator. You got the thermostat, both of these thermostat sensors. You've got these right here, your Velno solenoids. You got your camshafts sensors all the way underneath there, already plugged in, ready to go. So that's how it's going to look. I'm really pleased with it. So stay tuned for more. we're gonna keep on working on this thing. I'm gonna tear it down. Once I get everything all mocked up how I like it, I'm gonna tear it down, put new gaskets in it, head gaskets, valve cover gaskets, oil pan gaskets, the works. Put them all in there, new seals, everything, and then we'll repaint it. And then we'll be working on that right there. So stay tuned for more.